Let's make next time nigiri. So next hand roll. Okay, hand roll. Make sure nori dry. This is not dry enough, so I gotta use another one. Okay, nori. Put the rice. This may be like a 50 gram or 40 gram, like a 2 ounce or 2.5. 2.5, yeah, maybe 2.5. That's fine. That's depend on you, but I don't like to put the rice too much. So nori has the way. This is the put the rice. So I'm now trying to explain to Sushi. Okay. Now make a hand roll. I cannot explain, so just watch. Okay, just keep watching. So make roll. I'm making the hand roll right now. Okay. Make sure put rice. Okay, I put the wasabi. A little bit. And what do we have? Okay, tuna. Put the tuna. And from here to here, make roll. Make sure here it's tight. Okay, can you see that? Okay. Hey, omachi! Like this. Okay? I do one more time. Make sure roll, hand roll I'm making like this in the middle, half. Put the rice spread. Don't put the rice too much, you know. But you can put the fish too many because it's tasty, right? I forgot to put the wasabi. Okay. Make sure. And some people, you know, end of how can I say, end of edge. Put the rice a little bit and then push. This time push because it's sticky, like a rice glue. Then they're not gonna come out. So, hey omachi, salmon hand roll. Thank you so much. All right. So this is a hand roll. All right, looks good. What's the next? Okay. It's too boring, right? I know you wanna see my face. Anyway, so I made the nigiri hand roll. So I have one more thing. So I'm making the futomaki, but this time I'm making chumaki. Chumaki means in the middle. Futomaki is big roll. Okay. So this is everybody like a children. This is you can find any grocery store in Japan. Futomaki, chumaki. Okay, maybe some you can find a lot of place. So I put the shiitake. Okay, shiitake. This is dry shiitake. I put the sweet and sugar and soy sauce. So I cannot explain right now, but check my Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Okay, so shiitake and maybe crab and cucumber. What we have? This Takuan. Takuan is already cut. Takuan has texture so good and the color is good. Okay, and what we have? Gobo. Gobo is root. How do you call? Something root. Anyway, okay. If you make futomaki, put this nori together, put the rice here, and make roll. But this time I'm making chumaki because this is the easy way. So put the rice, this much. Just check. Just right now, keep watching and then check it out, and listen to good music, jazz music. Enjoy jazz music and keep watching. Okay, make sure edge. So roll up. Oh, I forgot to explain what's the bad sushi, bad roll sushi. I explain if I have time. Because when you go to the sushi restaurant, like American sushi restaurant, you know it's really ugly sushi, and even grocery store too. You know sometimes it's really ugly. So I show you what's the difference between them. Okay. Okay, like that, and I put the sesame. Okay. Yeah, you can cut. Gobo root and crab, Shiitake, cucumber. Cucumber is very dangerous too when you make roll. It's very difficult because they have a lot of water. Maybe if you have experience to make sushi, you know what I'm talking about. Yeah. Okay. So make roll. Just keep watching. Little bit push and roll up, and when the end, put the rice a little bit like a rice glue. Okay. Make sure roll and edge. This is chumaki in the middle. Cut maybe 4 piece or 5 piece, maybe 4 piece. This is a chumaki. If you put a double seaweed, you can make futomaki. It means the biggest roll. Okay. This is the vegetable and some crab like a fish cake. So you can put any things, whatever you like. You can put avocado and it's up to you. But this is the basic, cucumber, takuan. Takuan is radish, pickles, and shiitake mushroom, gobo. These 4 things is maybe basically when you're making futomaki or chumaki. Okay? Yeah, maybe looks good. All right, that's the traditional way. That's the traditional way I made. So next, what do you mean? Oh yeah. I have 5 more minutes, okay? I'm explaining to you what's bad sushi because a lot of people is making sushi, but how do you make bad sushi? So like, lot of, if they don't have experience, put the sushi like this, right? Like this. I saw a lot of, when I see that, Facebook or something, a lot of people like this, because they have to make faster. I don't know why, like this. Because you have to split the rice, faster as possible. So that's why people push like this, like push. You see how different, like a mochi. This is not good because this is chunky, like a junk food. Don't push too much like this. So if you have like this rice, you can have texture like this when you bite like this. But if you push already, it is no texture. It is no texture, just sticky, right? That's the difference between, okay? So this is no good. Push, no, don't do it. Okay, so make sure, maybe I show you already. So make roll up like rice. When you split rice, just like this, softly, nicely, and split all over the rice. Okay. Oh God, egg cake I didn't put. I'm sorry about that. Yeah, this is egg cake. Okay, I make 1 piece egg cake. Okay. This is I made for my kids. Kids love egg. How do you call? Egg cake? Yeah, egg cake. So when you make egg cake, you don't have to put rice here. make a rice, I mean sushi rice like that, and put on the top. And you need a band. Can you see that? So you use this edge. Oops, sorry about that. Put the band. Wait. Like this, perfect. Good. Eyomachi. This is the egg cake sushi. People keep watching, so thank you so much. So I made a nigiri and a hand roll, and I made futomaki. Futomaki, and I show you what's the best sushi roll, and egg roll. Egg cake. What else we have? Okay, maybe that's it enough today. So now it's just 1 hour. Thank you so much. Keep watching. Just subscribe my YouTube channel, please. I need 1,000 people subscriber. Then I can make a YouTube live channel. Okay, that's what I want. So please share my video or share Yohei Kamiya. Please check it out. So if you have any question, please text me or subscribe. So thank you so much. So Yohei Cooking Dojo. See you next time. Bye bye.